My two roommates, what the Cal, what the hell are you doing?
Happy birthday to you.
There goes the crackhead that I see each morning.
So I'm trying to wrap presents, and he won't leave my tape alone because he has a weird obsession with plastic. So this is what I did.